For week weight training plan for women, week 1, hold the exercises in each and every exercise as straight units. For example, you can do 1 set of leg presses, leisure for 30 seconds, do a second set, leisure, do the 1/3 set. Then, move on to the following undertaking. You can entire all actions in both workouts this fashion. Hold 12 reps of all movements for 3 units every, and rest for 30 seconds in between each and every set. Choose a weight load where the last 2 reps of every set are additional hard, where you wouldn't be in a position to do a 13th rep. You may also in finding that you simply broaden the weight load for every set at the same time, retaining the 12 reps for all 3 sets. Week 2 this week, you can proceed with the straight set format for both exercises. But now, you'll hold 15 reps of all movements for 3 sets, and you will only rest for 15 seconds in between each set. For this reason, this week, you can entire more work in less time. This can be a pleasant stimulus to take your fitness to the next level. Week 3 we will combine it up this week. Rather of straight sets, you're going to entire your exercise in a circuit sort. This week, you'll complete 1 set of every activity for 15 reps, then you'll instantly move on to the following motion with no relaxation in between. For illustration, on the day 1 exercise, you'll be able to perform your first set of leg presses for 15 reps, then you can instantly go to the goblet squat and participate in 15 reps, after which continue on to the following recreation without a leisure in between actions. At the end of those 4 movements, you'll leisure for 1 minute, then complete the circuit 2 more instances. Week 4 this week you are going to continue with the circuit style units. This time you can participate in simplest 12 reps of each motion, but there are 2 rough alterations. You can hold a whole of 4 full circuits, that's 4 units of each activity for each exercises, and there might be no relaxation in between each circuit. This week is all about maintaining you relocating. After you conclude the last movement of both workout, you'll be able to right away return to the primary motion and a new circuit. Received it? On to the strikes. See demos of the 4 strikes that make up workout 1, and the 5 strikes that make up exercise 2. Watch and be taught, then mark your calendar 4 weeks from now. You will not suppose how strong you'll think.